Good morning students. Today we are going to see 3.4, that is trigonometric functions and their properties. So till now we have seen the trigonometric functions and the radians, degrees, etc. In today's class we are going to see the properties of the trigonometric functions. Okay, it is 3.4. Trigonometric functions and their properties. Okay, so see in your book they have given a diagram. You might have learned this. Pythagoras theorem, x square is equal to like that. But before this is theta. We are taking the values. This is r and this is x, this is y. Okay, we know that. Then what is sine theta? That is opposite divided by hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse and this is opposite and this is adjacent. Therefore, opposite divided by hypotenuse. Y divided by r. Then what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to x divided by r. Then what about tan theta? We know that tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. That is y divided by r comma x divided by r. This r and r gets cancelled. This is equal to y divided by x. Okay. So here r should not be equal to 0, right? If r is equal to 0, this value is not defined. And here r should not be equal to 0. And for here x should not be equal to 0. Now what about the other three values? That is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. Therefore, r divided by y. Here y should not be equal to 0. And what about secant theta? Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. That is r divided by x. Here x should not be equal to 0. And what about cot theta? Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. That is x divided by y. Here also y should not be equal to 0. So, x, y and r should not be equal to 0. These are the formulas for the sums that we are going to solve here. That is sin theta is equal to y divided by r, cos theta is equal to x divided by r, and tan theta is equal to y divided by x. And these three formulas. Okay, using these only we are going to solve the sums here. And then trigonometric ratios of quadratic angles. See that they have given the trigonometric ratios of quadratic angles. Okay, the same thing. We know that this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. Okay, the same thing. If this is the value here, if we are taking r is equal to 1, this is x and this is y, this is theta. Then what happens is, what is sine theta? Sine theta is y divided by r. That is y divided by 1 is equal to y. And what about cos theta? Cos theta is equal to x divided by r. R is 1, which is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to cos theta and y is equal to sine theta. Okay. So the point we differ it as cos theta comma sine theta. Right, that is x comma y. X comma y. So instead of x we are writing cos theta and y we are taking sine theta. So for value of some theta, if theta is equal to 0, then point will be p of cos 0 is 1 and sine 0 is 0. That is p of 1 comma. The point is 1 comma 0. Likewise for the value of theta, the points will be, what's that? The points will be changing. Okay. Now let us see the trigonometric functions of real numbers. So in that they have given an important definition in page number 98. That is, for a real number t, identify a point b of, for a real number t, this is a real number, there is a point b of x comma y on the unit circle. If this is the unit circle, there will be a point b of x comma y. Okay, on the unit circle such that the arc length AB is equal to t. If this is A and this arc length is equal to t. T is a real number. Okay, then if t is positive, we will choose B in anti-clockwise direction. When the unit circle moves on like this anti-clockwise direction, we will choose a point. When the t's value is negative, since t is real number, it may take positive values and negative values. So if t's value is positive, we will take this point B in anti-clockwise direction, and if t is positive, we will take, sorry, if t is negative, we will take the B in clockwise direction. So such this type of function. Okay, then the arc length, the theta, the angle theta subtended by the arc length at the center. So theta will be the. So in this type, W of t is the wrapping function. So the function is relating t with the unit circle. அதாவது ஒரு tன்ற ஒரு ரியல் நம்பர் எடுத்தோம் அப்படின்னா அந்த t is நெகட்டிவாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா, so t பாசிட்டிவாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா, when the unit circle is moving on the anti-clockwise direction, we will take a point B and then AB is equal to t. ஏதோ ஒரு இன்னொரு point A and then AB will be equal to t. அதே மாதிரி t வந்து நெகட்டிவாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா, we will be taking this point, this is a fixed point A. Okay, so இந்த Bன்ற பாயிண்ட் எடுக்கிறது தான் வந்து important thing. So Bன்ற பாயிண்ட் எதில் எடுப்போம்? When the t is negative, the unit circle clockwiseல இருக்கும் போது we will be choosing the point B. Okay, so the distance AB will be equal to t. So this type of function W of t in which associating that real number t to the unit circle is said to be the wrapping function. Okay, see the example 3.28. See the example 3.0. The terminal side of an angle is standard position. In standard position passes through the point. So see here, this is the initial point. This is the center. Okay, and this is the initial point. This is A. Okay, so idilarundu move agina it goes on like this. This is the unit circle. One circle is the unit circle, and this is the terminal point. If the angle goes and it stays here, இதிலிருந்து ஒரு லைன் போகும் இல்லையா, this is the terminal side. If the angle goes and comes here, இங்கிருந்து ஒரு லைன் போகும், சென்டர்லேருந்து ஒரு லைன் இந்த பாயிண்ட் வழியாக போகும்போது this is the terminal side. Okay, this is the initial side where the angle is starting and the terminal side is the ending point. Okay, the terminals are the terminal side of an angle theta. So theta வந்து இங்க இருக்கும், it goes on the theta. So theta is in standard position, passes through the point 3, -4. So if this is 3 and this is -4, so terminal point ஓட இது வந்து இங்க பாஸ் ஆகுது, இந்த லைன் இங்க பாஸ் ஆகுது. So angle will be, it goes on till here. Okay, this is the angle, that is from here to here is theta. இதிலிருந்து இது வரைக்கும். Okay, you should not take this angle. It moves on the anti-clockwise direction, right? So unit circle moves on the anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, you should take from here to here. Okay, find the 6 trigonometric functions values at an angle theta. Okay, you have to find the trigonometric functions. So first we have to find r. Right, we have to find r. So here the given point is 3, -4. We can take this as x and this as y. Point this as x and this as y. We have to find r's value can be found using x square square root of x square plus y square. This is equal to square root of x square is 9 square, 3 square is 9 plus y square -4 the whole square is 16, which is equal to square root of 25. Then what's the value of r? R is equal to 5. So we got, what's the value of x? X is equal to 3, y is equal to -4, r is equal to 5. What they have asked? They have asked us to find the 6 trigonometric functions. Okay, shall we find them? What is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to y divided by r. What is y? -4. What is r? -4 divided by 5. Then what about cos theta? Cos theta is equal to x divided by r. What is x? 3. And what is r? 5. 3 divided by 5. What about tan theta? Tan theta is equal to y divided by x. What is y? -4. What is x? 3. -4 divided by 3. And what about the other 3 values? What are the other 3 values? Cosecant theta. What is cosecant theta? R divided by y, which is equal to 5 divided by -4. That is -5 divided by 4. Then secant theta is equal to r divided by x, that is 5 divided by 3. Then cot theta is equal to x divided by y, that is minus 3 divided by 4. This is what they have asked us to find, 6 trigonometric functions. So கொடுத்திருக்க equation ல இருந்து the point is 3 comma minus 4, therefore we are taking 3 as x and minus 4 as y, and the r is equal to square root of x square plus y square. From that we are finding r. So after finding r, we have to substitute in the formulas. We know that sin theta is equal to y by r, cos theta is equal to x by r, tan theta is equal to y by x, and cosecant theta is equal to r by x, y, secant theta is equal to r by x, and cot theta is equal to x by y. You have to substitute the values then. Okay, then signs of trigonometric functions, you know this. So this is x and this is y. Here it is positive, this is positive side and this is negative side, and here it is positive side and here it is negative side, right? So in the first quadrant la x oda value positive ah irukum, and what is about y oda value? Y's value is also positive. And in the second quadrant, what about x value? X value is negative, that is x is less than 0, and here y value is positive. What about in the third quadrant? In the third quadrant, x value is negative and y's value is also negative. What about the fourth quadrant? X value is positive and y's value is negative. Okay, so the point here is x comma y, and the point here is minus x comma y, and the point here is minus x comma minus y, and the point here is x comma minus y. புரியுதா? இதோட வச்சு இது வந்து ப்ளஸில் இருக்கும், இதோட மைனஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த இடத்துல எந்த பாயிண்ட் எடுக்கலாம், இட் வில் பி இன் தி ஃபார்மேட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் கமா ஒய், அண்ட் திஸ் ஹியர் இட் இஸ் மைனஸ், ஹியர் இட் இஸ் ப்ளஸ். இந்த இடத்துல என்ன ஒரு பாயிண்ட் எடுத்தாலும் திஸ் வில் பி இன் தி ஃபார்மேட் ஆஃப் மைனஸ் எக்ஸ் கமா ஒய், அண்ட் ஹியர் திஸ் இஸ் ஆல்சோ மைனஸ், திஸ் இஸ் ஆல்சோ மைனஸ். therefore இந்த இடத்துல என்ன பாயிண்ட் எடுத்தாலும் மைனஸ் எக்ஸ் கமா மைனஸ் ஒய், ஹியர் இட் இஸ் ப்ளஸ் அண்ட் ஹியர் இட் இஸ் மைனஸ் மைனஸ். therefore இங்கே என்ன பாயிண்ட் எடுத்தாலும் எக்ஸ் கமா மைனஸ் ஒய்ல இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ அண்ட் தென் another one thing is there, that is here all S T C, the very important thing, எங்கெங்கே எந்தெந்த ஃபார்மேட் வந்து ப்ளஸில் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்க்கணும். So when it comes for the first quadrant, see in your book they have given all students take chocolate. Just keep in mind, all students take chocolate. So first quadrant, second, third, fourth, all students take chocolate. First A, students is S, second take is T, chocolates, A S T C. So first quadrant la all the trigonometric functions are positive. Okay, and in the second quadrant all students, yes, that is only sin is positive. Take third one, in the third one only tan is positive, and in the fourth one only cos is positive. Okay, let's see. So இங்கே வந்து x, y னு ஒரு term எடுக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா எல்லாமே பாசிட்டிவாக தான் இருக்கும், everything will be positive. And see here, if you are taking here minus x, y, so what happens to the cos value? What is cos? Cos is x, right? Yes, x, r is cos. So here it is minus, so cos வந்து நெகட்டிவாக போயிடும். What about sin? Sin is equal to y divided by r. Sin is positive. What about tan? Tan will be equal to y divided by minus x. Again, மற்ற எல்லாமே அந்த சைனோட வேல்யூ மட்டும்தான் இதில் வந்து பாசிட்டிவாக இருக்கும். And here when it comes here minus x, y minus y. See here, cosோட வேல்யூ என்னவாக இருக்கும்? minus x, r. சைனோட வேல்யூ minus y, r. When it goes to tan's value, it will be y divided by x. So in the third quadrant la only tan oda value மட்டும் தான் பாசிட்டிவா இருக்கும். And it comes for the fourth quadrant, x, minus y. So what is about cos value? Cos value is x divided by r. This is positive. What about sin value? It is minus y divided by r. This is negative. And what about tan value? It is minus y divided by 6. Only cos is positive here. So you have to take in mind all students take chocolate. So first quadrant இதிலிருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி இப்படி தான் போகும். You should not take first 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. இப்படி எடுக்கக்கூடாது. This is the first quadrant, this is the second, and this is the third, and this is the fourth. All students take chocolate. All means A. So all the trigonometric functions are positive. Here students, yes. So S means sine, only sine is positive here. And the third, take, that is T, only tan is positive in third quadrant. And then the fourth, all students take chocolate. See, that is only cos is positive here, other trigonometric functions are negative. Okay, now let us see example 3.29. Example 3.29. If sin theta is equal to 3 divided by 5 and the angle is in the second quadrant, then find the value of other 5 trigonometric functions. Okay, they have given sin theta and we have to find the value of cos theta also. So what is sin theta? We know that sin is y divided by r. So y is equal to 3, r is equal to 5, right? So we have to find x value, that is we know that r square is equal to x square plus y square. You can use either this format or there is a formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We know that sin square theta becomes 9 divided by 25. Therefore cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 9 divided by 25 is equal to 16 divided by 25. Therefore cos theta is equal to 4 divided by 5. Therefore x value will be equal to 4. You can use either this method or this method also. What's this method? R square is equal to x square plus y square. What is r? R is 5, r square is 25 equal to, we want to find x square plus, what is y square? 9. Therefore x square is equal to 25 minus 9 is 16. What's the value of x? X is equal to 4. You can use either this method. Okay, and see here they have given, what they have given is the theta is in the second quadrant. So if this is second quadrant x value will be minus. X value is minus. So x is equal to minus 4 you have to use. So sin theta is equal to, what about cos theta? We have to find other 5 values. Cos theta is equal to x divided by r is equal to minus 4 divided by 5. Then what about tan theta? Tan theta is equal to y divided by x. What is y? 3 divided by minus 4, minus 3 divided by 4. Then what about cosecant theta? Cosecant theta is equal to 5 divided by 3. And what about secant theta? Secant theta is equal to minus 5 divided by 4. And what about cot theta? Cot theta is equal to minus 4 divided by 3. Okay, see here. So x square value we got 16. So what will be x value is plus or minus 4. Right. So in the question what they have given is the angle is in the second quadrant. So we are going to find the values of all these 6 trigonometric functions in second quadrant. Second quadrant la x oda value negative la irukum, y oda value positive la irukum. So x oda value negative la dhaan edukum. So we should not take plus 4. X should be minus and y oda value should be positive. So that's why we took minus 4. Okay, so the quadrant matters here. So quadrant, இப்போ அதே வந்து third quadrant கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னு வைங்க. Third quadrant means both the x and y terms are negative. Therefore இதுக்கும் minus 4 இருக்கும், இதுக்கும் minus 3. If it is in fourth quadrant, what happens then? X oda value should be positive and y oda value should be negative. So this will be 4 and y's value should be equal to, y is equal to minus 3. Okay, so you have to change the signs according to the quadrant given in your question. Okay, now let us see the allied angles. Allied angles. So important 1 mark. Two angles are said to be allied if their sum or difference is a multiple of pi divided by. Either sum or difference is multiple of pi divided by 2 means we can say it is the, see here 180, that is 3 pi by 2 minus pi by 2. What happens then? So it is pi, right? Pi minus pi by 2. What is pi minus pi by 2 ma? It is pi divided by 2. So the difference of these two angles is pi by 2. Therefore we can say this is the allied angle. Similarly, see here pi plus pi divided by 2, which is equal to 3 pi divided by 2, which is equal to 3 into pi divided by 2. Similarly, we can say these two angles are allied angles. That is, when the difference or sum between any two angles is the multiple of pi by 2, then we can say it is the allied angles, when it is an important 1 mark question. Okay, now we are going to get the sign change. That is, instead of theta, we are going to minus theta. What happens then? Sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta will be equal to cos theta. Tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Cosecant of minus theta is equal to minus cosecant theta. Secant of minus theta is equal to secant theta. Cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. See here, only for cos and secant it becomes cos theta and secant. For other things the minus gets outside. So this is when theta is equal to minus theta, when we are substituting, that is negative angles, we will be getting these values. Okay, see example 3.10. Example 3.10. Okay, find the values of, they have asked us to find the value of sine of minus 45 degree. So we have seen here, right, sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, therefore sine 45 degree. What is sine 45? It is 1 by root 2, therefore already we are having one minus, therefore minus 1 divided by root 2 is the answer. See the next sum. Cos of minus 45 degree. So cos of minus theta, it becomes cos theta. Therefore cos 45 degree. What is cos 45 degree? It is also 1 divided by root 2. So the answer is 1 divided by root 2. And see the third sum. Third sum is cot of minus 45 degree. So cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. Minus cot 45 degree. So what is cot 45 degree? It is 1. Therefore minus 1 is the answer. Okay, that is the negative angles. When it comes for the negative angle, this like, so cos ku secant ku mattum da vandu positive ayirum, matta ellathukkume the negative signs comes outside. Okay, similarly for 90 plus theta and 90 minus theta. See here, sine of 90 degree minus theta, the same thing. Cos of 90 degree minus theta. Tan of 90 degree minus theta. Cosecant of 90 degree minus theta. Secant of 90 degree minus theta, and then tan of, sorry, cot of 90 degree minus theta. Okay, we know that. What is 90 degree minus theta? This is 90 minus theta means and the 90 ki keela. It happens in the first quadrant. The 90 minus theta happens in the first quadrant. So 90 plus theta happens in the second quadrant, right? And then this one 180, right? So 180 minus theta again happens in the second quadrant, and 180 plus theta happens in the third quadrant. And here 270 minus theta happens in the third quadrant, 270 plus theta happens in the fourth quadrant. Likewise, see the 90 is 180, this is 270, this is 0, and again it becomes to 360, right? இந்த மாதிரி வந்து போகுது. So see here, 90 minus theta, everything is in the first quadrant. So here everything is positive, right? All here students take chocolate, everything is positive. So what happens is sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine, tan changes to cot. Okay, what's that? Sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine, tan changes to cot, and what cosecant changes to secant, secant changes to cosecant, cot changes to tan. This is what they have given. ஓகே ஸோ எப்போ வந்து அது வந்து மாறாது அப்படின்னா when it comes to this thing, so 180 and 360 வரும்போது மட்டும்தான் sin cos மாறாது, that same thing will be happening. So 90 இதை எப்படி எழுதலாம்? See here, first let us see this. Sin 90 minus theta, it becomes to cos. See here, all are positive, so this becomes cos theta. So cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. Secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta, and cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. ஓகே, இது வந்து நம்ம 90 மைனஸ் தீட்டாக்கு மட்டும்தான் பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஸோ ஒய் 90 மைனஸ் தீட்டாவில் எங்கேயுமே மைனஸ் வரல அப்படின்னா பிகாஸ் ஆல் ஆர் பாசிட்டிவ் ஹியர். ஸோ வென் இட் கம்ஸ் டு 90 ப்ளஸ் தீட்டா, see here, when it comes to 90 plus theta, the same thing, 90 plus theta, sin changes to cos, cos changes to sin, everything. But about the sin, only for sin function we will be having positive. So sin changes to cos, 90 plus theta, sin changes to cos. And then what about, so we don't want this and all for everything, 90 plus theta we don't want to find this. So sin changes to cos. When cos in varumbodhu it becomes minus. Okay, and for tan changes to cot, because when it comes for 90 plus theta. Okay, see here, there are many things, that is 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 எல்லாத்தையும் எழுதுவோம். See here, 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, and then 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta. Okay, now let us see, and then we are having 270 minus theta, and then 270 plus theta. So for sin, cos, and for tan. Okay, so sin of 90 minus theta. See here, இந்த 90 வரும்போது 90 and 270க்கு தான் வந்து sin changes to cos, cos changes to sin. But for 180 and 360, sin and cos this doesn't change. Sin சைனாகவே இருக்கும், cos காசாகவே இருக்கும், tan டானாகவே இருக்கும். For what? This line, இந்த லைனுக்கு 180 and 360க்கு இந்த சேஞ்சஸ் ஆகாது, sin cos சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது. Only for 90 and 270 it is possible. And we know for other things, other negative sign we will be using this format, அதாவது all silver, that is all students take chocolate method. Okay, see sin 90 minus theta is, so see here 90 minus theta is here, everything is positive. So sin 90 minus theta, it becomes to cos theta, it becomes to sin theta, and here it becomes to cot theta. And again 90 plus theta, so 90 again it changes to cos, sin and cot, but the only for sin we will be having plus, other things are minus. Okay, and from 180 minus theta, 180 means it doesn't change, that is sin theta, cos theta, and then tan theta. Why ஏன் change ஆகல? 180 and 360க்கு எந்த changesமே இருக்காது. See here, 360 degree minus theta, 360 degree plus theta. Just keep in mind 180 and 360க்கு எந்த சேஞ்சஸ்மே இருக்கா, sin cos மாறாது. Only for 90, either it is 90 minus theta or 90 plus theta, எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 19 வந்துச்சுனாவே அதே மாதிரி either it is 270 minus theta or 270 plus theta, எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 270 and 19 வந்தாலே அது எப்படி ஆகும்? இந்த sin cosக்கு சேஞ்ச் ஆகும், cos sinக்கு சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். But no need of changing in 180 and 360. So, but see here 180 minus theta is in second quadrant. Second quadrant la sin மட்டும்தான் positive. So sin மட்டும்தான் positive, other two things are negative. Okay, and then 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta. See it is 180, therefore no need of changing the sign, so changing the values cos theta, and here it is tan theta. But here third quadrant 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta, right? So இது வந்து 180 plus theta ன்னு வரும்போது it is in T. All students take chocolate. T. Only tan is positive. Only tan is positive. Other two things are negative. And again for this, sin, cos, tan. So 270 minus theta. What is 270 minus theta is third quadrant. So 270 என்ன ஆகும்? 270 வரும்போது change ஆகும். This is cos theta, this is sin theta, and this is cot theta. So 270 minus theta is in third quadrant. Only tan is positive. Only tan is positive. Other two things are negative. And then 270 plus theta. So 270 na ella irum change airum cos theta sin theta and this becomes cot theta. So 270 plus theta is in fourth quadrant. Only cos is positive. Other two things are negative. And then again 360 minus theta. 360 minus 3 theta. So 360 vandane there is no need of changing the function. But 360 minus theta is in fourth quadrant. Only C, that is only cos is positive. So other two things are negative. And 360 plus theta goes on to the again fourth quadrant. All are positive. 360 we don't want to change. Therefore sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. ஓகே இதுதான் அந்த நெகட்டிவ் சைன்ஸ் வந்தால் எப்படி ஆகும் காஸ் அண்ட் கொசிகட் மட்டும்தான் அது வந்து அப்படியே இருக்கும் பட் ஃபார் எவ்ரி திங் மற்ற எல்லாத்துக்குமே சைனு டேனு காட் அண்ட் கொசிகண்ட்டுக்கு மைனஸ் கொசிகன் டீட்டா மைனஸ் சைன் டீட்டா மைனஸ் டான் டீட்டா மைனஸ் காட் டீட்டான்னு மாறிடும் அண்ட் தென் ஃபார் திஸ் திங்ஸ் ஸோ 90 மைனஸ் டீட்டா 90 ப்ளஸ் டீட்டா பி ஷுர் 90 மைனஸ் டீட்டா இஸ் ஃபோர்த் குவாட்ரண்ட் 90 ப்ளஸ் டீட்டா இஸ் செகண்ட் குவாட்ரண்ட் 180 மைனஸ் டீட்டா இஸ் ஏன்னா இப்படி தான் மூவ் ஆகுது ஓகே ஸோ 0 90 180 270 360 இப்படி தான் மூவ் ஆகுது ஸோ 180 மைனஸ் தீட்டா இஸ் இன் செகண்ட் குவாட்ரண்ட் 180 ப்ளஸ் தீட்டா இஸ் இன் தேர்ட் குவாட்ரண்ட் 270 minus theta is in third quadrant 270 plus theta is in fourth quadrant 360 minus theta is in fourth quadrant 360 plus theta is in first quadrant the important things so adha mari marum 90 plus or minus irundale sin cos ah marum cos sin ah marum tan வந்து காட்டா மாறும் அதே மாதிரி 270 நாலும் பட் ஃபார் 180 and 360 no need of changing the trigonometric functions negative signs கிடையாது negative signs வந்து இந்த quadrant பொறுத்து all students take chocolate இத பொறுத்து negative signs வருமா வராதான்றது இருக்கும் but the thing is 90 and 270 வச்சு நம்ம ப்ளஸோ மைனஸோ பண்ணனா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும் சைனை காசா மாற்றணும் காசை சைனா மாற்றணும் டேனை வந்து காட்டா மாற்றணும் but for 180 and 360 plus or minus எதா இருந்தாலும் we should not change the trigonometric functions okay the important thing is this and now let us see the next example 3.11 sin 150 degree how can we write sin 150 degree is equal to sin of you can write in either method 90 degree plus 60 degree or sin of 180 degree minus 30 degree right so what is sin of 90 plus 60 90 plus theta 90 means it must change right so cos 60 degree but see here 90 plus this is in the second quadrant all silver sign changes to positive that is cos 60 degree that is 1 divided by 2 either method is this one sin of 180 minus so this can be written as sin of no need of changing the sign because it is 180 so 180 minus sorry 30 degree so sin 30 degree but see here what is 180 minus 180 minus this is in second quadrant so sign changes to sign should not change plus இது வந்து மைனஸா மாற கூடாது because sin பாசிட்டிவாவே இருக்கும் so cos 30 sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 in either method you can do and see the second subdivision cos of 135 degree this can be written as cos of 90 degree plus 45 degree otherwise cos of 180 degree minus 45 degree alright so how this changes so sin இங்க வந்து cos இருக்கு sorry 90 இருக்கு 90 நால it changes to sin therefore sin 45 degree but see here 90 plus 45 it is in the second quadrant so cos என்னவா மாறும் minus sin 45 degree so what is sin 45 degree 1 divided by root 2 the answer is minus 1 divided by root 2 so see here 180 so 180 இருக்கனால இது சேஞ்ச் ஆக கூடாது it should be as it is cos 45 degree that is 180 minus 45 this is in the second quadrant so cos must change to minus 1 divided by root 2 both the answers are same right எந்த ரெண்டு மெத்தட்ல வேணா you can do and see the third subdivision tan 120 degree so it's the assignment for you now let us see the next example 3.12 find the values of first one is sin 65 degree Okay, see நம்ம பார்த்ததுலே பெரிய வேல்யூ வந்து 360. So you have to write this in multiple of 360. What is 360 into 2? I think it's 720, right? 720. So this can be written as sine of 720 degree plus, what's that? 45 degree. So this is 720 can be written as sine of 2 into 360 plus 45 degree. So no problem with that. 2 into 360 now we can take it as 360 itself. So 360 inga irukku. 360 na we should not change this. So sine of 45 degree but 360 plus. So 360 plus it lies in the first quadrant. First quadrant la ellame positive. So what is sine 45 degree? 1 divided by root 2 is the answer. And now let us see the second subdivision. Cosecant of 1410 degree. Okay, so we know that cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. Minus cosecant of 1410 degree. Okay, and this minus cosecant of, so this can be written as 3 into 360. So this is 1080. Okay, so minus 30 degree. So minus as it is. So cosecant இங்க வந்து 360 degree இருக்கு. 360 degree இருக்கனால இது சேஞ்ச் பண்ண கூடாது. Therefore cosecant 30 degree as it is. What is 360 minus 3? It lies in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant la what is positive? All students take chocolate. Only cos is positive. So see here it is cosecant. Therefore it changes to plus. Minus into minus it changes to plus. What is cosecant 30 degree? It is 2. Okay, and now the third subdivision, cot of minus 15 pi divided by 4 is the assignment for you. What you have to do? What is cot of minus theta? Minus cot theta. Therefore minus cot into 15 pi divided by 4. Okay, so 15 pi divided by 4 you have to change that. That is 4 pi minus pi divided. What is pi actually? Actually pi is 180. So 4 into 180 minus pi by 4. You can do the sum. Okay, now example 3.13. Prove that tan 315 degree cot minus 405 degree plus cot 495 degree tan minus 585 degree is equal to 2. You have to prove this is equal to 2. Okay, first this is tan, right? So tan of, we can take it as 360. 360 minus 45 degree, right? Which is 315. So again cot. What is cot of minus theta? It is minus cot theta. Therefore there is a minus. So this is in multiplication. So minus வந்து இங்கே கொண்டு வந்துடக்கூடாது because this is in multiplication. Therefore you have to take this minus to the whole term. So minus of cot of 405. What is cot of 405? Right, 360 plus 45, 360 degree plus 45 degree plus, and see here cot of 495, cot of 495. So 360 degree, what is 495 minus 360? 135, right? 135. So plus 135 degree. So tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So this becomes minus tan of, what is 585? 585, that is 360, 585 225, right? It is 225, right? So this can be written as 225 degree. That is 360 plus 225 degree. 360 plus 225 degree. Now it is equal to minus tan. So this is 360. Therefore no need of changing this. Tan of 45 degree. But see here 360 minus 45 is lies in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is all students take chocolate. That is only cos is positive. Here it is tan. Therefore, it becomes 1 minus. So, minus into minus, it becomes plus. And then cot. See here it is 360. So, what is 360? 360 we should not change cot. So, cot as it is and 45 degree as it. 360 plus 45 is in the first quadrant. First quadrant everything is positive. Therefore, cot 45 degree minus. So, cot here it is 360. Should not change the trigonometric function. Cot 135 degree. What is 360 plus 135? It lies in the second quadrant, right? Am I right? It lies in the second quadrant. So, 360 plus thing is, so minus here, so 360 plus 135 is, it lies in the second quadrant because this 135 can be written as 90 degree plus 45. It lies in the second quadrant, right? So, second quadrant means all students, only sign is positive, here it is cot, therefore 1 minus. So, இதை வந்து 45 directly எழுதிடலாம். Cot 45 degree. Okay. Should not write cot 45 degree because see here this is 360 plus 135. So, cot of 135 degree அப்படி இருக்கும் because cot இங்கே வந்து cot இருக்கு 360 இருக்குனால cot அப்படி இருக்கும். So, இது வந்து first quadrant போயிடும். So, 135 all are positive. So, cot 135. In the cot 135 how we can change is 90 degree plus 45. Again this tan 360 plus 225 is tan 225 degree. Okay, this 225 can be written as yes 180 plus 45 degree. 180 plus 45 degree. Okay, so this can be written as what is tan 45 cot 45? It is 1. So 1 இங்கே minus இருக்கு. This is also 1, this is also 1 into 1 is 1 minus, see this is tan 90 degree, therefore this cot changes to tan 45 degree, but see here this is 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45 is second quadrant only sign is positive, therefore this changes to 1 plus. Okay, and again this is tan 180 plus 45 degree. So, here it is 180, therefore tan எடுத்துக்கணும். Tan 45 degree. So, what is 180 plus 45 degree? That is in the third quadrant. Third quadrant is tan is positive. That tan 45. Tan 45 into tan 45 is 1 into 1. Which is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is what you have to prove, right? Okay, that's the difference and adding of angles. And the angles are எப்படி பிரிக்கிறோம்ன்றது மட்டும் தான் matter. Okay, now let us see the next things. They have given some characteristics of trigonometric functions, right? That is very, very, very important. So, that's the 4 characteristics of trigonometric functions. It will be asked for your 1 mark questions. Okay. And you know the odd function and even function. So, what is odd function and even function is? So, when we write f of minus x. So, instead of x, if you put minus x, if the value comes as f of x means, then we can say this is the even function. And when f of minus x becomes minus f of x, then that is the odd function. Right. So, for sine, tan, cosecant and cot, these are all we will be getting when sine minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. So, these are all odd functions. And for cos and cosecant is called as even function, right? Cos of minus theta is cos theta, secant of minus theta is secant theta. So, that is what function? That is the even function. The last example, determine whether the following functions are even or odd. Okay, see the first one, sin square x minus 2 into cos square x minus cos x. So, this is, let us take this as f of x. Okay, so you have to find minus f of minus x. So, sin x square x can be written as sin x the whole square. Okay, and again 2 into cos x can be written as cos x the whole square minus cos x. So f of minus 6. Now we are taking f of minus 6. Instead of x you have to substitute minus. Sin of minus 6 is minus sin x the whole square. Minus 2 into cos of minus 6 is cos x. Cos square x. Cos of minus 6 is cos x. So with this minus what happens? Minus into minus plus, it becomes plus. Therefore sin square x minus 2 into cos square x minus cos x. This is what they have given, right? Sin square x minus 2 into cos square x minus x. Therefore this is f of minus 6. This is equal to f of x. Therefore f of minus 6 is equal to f of x. Therefore the given function is the even function. The given function is the even function. See the second subdivision. Sin into cos x. Let us take this as f of x. What happens to f of minus x? Sin will be as it is because there is no x for sin. X irukradhula mattum we are going to substitute minus 6. Cos of minus 6. What is cos of minus 6? It is cos x, right? Then sin of cos of x. There is no change. This is equal to f of x. That is f of minus x is equal to f of x. So it is an even function. Okay, see the third sum. Cos of sin x. Okay, let this be f of x. Then what happens? F of minus x, x irukradhula you have to substitute minus. So sin of minus x, it becomes minus sin x. Cos of minus sin x. Okay, so cos of minus theta is cos theta, which is equal to cos sin x. Why? இதை வந்து தீட்டாவாக எடுத்துக்கோங்க. இதை வந்து தீட்டாவாக எடுத்தால் cos of minus theta is cos theta. Therefore cos sin theta, which is equal to f of x. That is f of minus x is equal to f of x. Therefore it is an even function. Okay, now let us see the fourth sum, that is the last sum. Sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x. Now let us take this as f of x. Okay, then f of minus x. Sin of minus x is minus sin x plus cos of minus x is cos x. So what happens? This is cos x minus sin x. So is this f of x? Definitely not. This is minus f of x. What is minus of f of x? That is minus of sin x plus cos x. So ரெண்டு வேல்யூமே வரல, அதாவது f of x வரல, minus of f of x வரல. Therefore we can say the given function is neither even nor odd. அது even functionும் இல்லை, odd functionும் இல்லை. Because f of x னு வந்துச்சுனா we can say it is an even function. Minus f of x னு வந்துச்சுனா we can say it is an odd function. But ரெண்டுமே வரல, therefore we can say this is neither even nor odd. Okay, with this we are completing this video. Let us see the exercise sums in the next class. Thank you students.